हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार। मेरा नाम फुलेंटली पार्टी है। मेरे चैनल जूनियर इंग्लिश फन में आपका स्वागत है। आज की वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है क्योंकि आज का टॉपिक है, जब भी हम किसी से मिलने जाते हैं तब समझ ही नहीं आता कि बात कहाँ से शुरू करें। दोस्तों, इसी पे मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर बनाए हैं। दोस्तों, वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखना। अब मैं ले चलता हूँ आपको अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। दोस्तों, मैं आ गया हूँ अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। Do you want to start speaking English? Just practice these 6 questions and answers. Start speaking confidently. The first question is, what is your name? My name is Ria. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. How old are you? I'm 7 years old. Where do you live? I live in Delhi. What is your father's name? My father's name is Rajesh. What is your mother's name? My mother's name is Suman. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is dog. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. What do you like to eat? I like to eat rice and dal. What do you like to drink? I like to drink milk. What is your school name? My school name is Sunshine Public School. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Rahul. What do you like to do? I like to play football. Where do you study? I study in class 3. When do you sleep? I sleep at 9 o'clock. Do you like fruits? Yes, I like fruits. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I love ice cream. Can you sing? Yes, I can sing. Can you dance? Yes, I can dance. Can you draw? Yes, I can draw. Can you play cricket? Yes, I can play cricket. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. Which animal do you like? I like rabbit. Which fruit do you like? I like apple. Which game do you like? I like football. What is your favorite cartoon? My favorite cartoon is Doraemon. What do you do at home? I play and study at home. What do you do at school? I study and play with friends. What do you do in the morning? I brush my teeth in the morning. What do you do at night? I sleep at night. What do you like more, apple or mango? I like mango more. What is your hobby? My hobby is drawing. Do you go to school daily? Yes, I go to school daily. Do you love your parents? Yes, I love my parents. Who teaches you at school? My teacher teaches me at school. What is your favorite game? My favorite game is cricket. What do you wear to school? I wear school uniform. What do you do on Sunday? I play and watch TV on Sunday. Do you like to read books? Yes, I like to read books. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is storybook. What do you like to do with friends? I like to play with friends. Who cooks food at your home? My mother cooks food at home. Do you like to travel? Yes, I like to travel. Which place do you like most? I like the zoo most. What do you do in your free time? I draw pictures in my free time. What do you do after school? I do my homework after school. Do you help your parents? Yes, I help my parents. What is your favorite festival? My favorite festival is Diwali. Do you like to sing songs? Yes, I like to sing songs. Do you like to draw? Yes, I like to draw. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is winter. What do you do in summer? I drink cold water in summer. What do you do in winter? I wear warm clothes in winter. Thank you friends. If you like this video, so like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye friends.